what about the Northeast playing the victim card?
I think there is a section of people who find it convenient to bring up the racial angle. I think there's definitely some form of racism that people face when they come to mainland. I mean, most of the people here, they're completely ignorant of our culture, of our tradition. So I think I can understand that there's definitely some level of racism that exists, and definitely we need to make sure that our education includes Northeast, teaches students that Northeast is also an integral part of a nation. But I think most people who play that racial angle, they find it more convenient because it suits them, it helps them, it helps their case. I think the way the kind of racism we say exists, I think it is a bit over exaggerated in this country. I personally haven't faced any level of racism when I've been here for nearly 4 years. I have a lot of friends who have been here, and I've never seen anyone being targeted racially. There are isolated cases, but you can't, generalize the entire mainland based on one, two incidents.
Okay, so it is true that yes, there are isolated cases of racism like in any other places, but right. It is also true that, there are people who play victim, but it is also true that there are people like you and many others who have come out from the Northeast and can coexist, with the mainland.
Most of the people, I think they can definitely coexist. I've seen most of my friends coming out here. They can mingle with anyone else. I don't see it as a problem. Even though it's a clash of cultures, I think our generation finds no problem in mingling with each other.
Right. But also, again, this is media, right? The media brings out stories of racism, events, where attacks or things happen, but then the media never brings out about how people from different cultures and different places are living together and helping each other and coexisting in a very peaceful way.
I think, yeah, that's definitely. But again, as I said, TRPs and numbers are other things which drive media coverage.